Hi, baker friends. It's Ellen, your baker chick, showing you the challah, or plural is chalot, that I baked today and why I did different shapes. I didn't bake a single big bread. I made minis. I call them minis. Little rolls, little braids. The reason I make those is because it's for portion control. So when I put this on the table for Rosh Hashanah or for, Shabbat, my dad and my husband and I, because only the three of us, will pig out. So this is portion control. And they're cute. Don't you think they're cute? Then this one is a golden raisin challah that I baked in this bundt pan. And then I'm going to serve it, of course, with a little ramekin of honey in the middle for Rosh Hashanah. And this one is just an extra one that I sort of rolled a braid up and it got kind of poofy on one side. This is, I can't really get to it, but it's just a mini, sort of a bigger braid, but not a full size. Now this is my new experiment. I rolled out almost flat and baked, I should say, 2 flat challah discs. They're puffy, in these pie plates. And then what I'm going to do a little bit later is cook some apples with honey and cinnamon. And then when I serve this, I use a deeper pie dish, but I'm going to put one down, and then I'm going to put the apples. Then I'm going to put this one on top, and it will be a challah pie. That's what I'm going to call it. And then this one was a round braid that got a turtle head. It's a legless turtle. I didn't mean for that to happen, but that's okay. It's just for my family. So that was my challah baking adventure of the day. So much fun.